Some days ago, this dude managed to upload a video on a YouTube which was actually showing a duration of 128-year long. And then people went mad and went to his YouTube channel and found out that there were several other videos which had an absurdly long amount of duration. Now, this got people thinking that is it really possible? And the short answer is no. Technically, it is not possible to upload such a long video on a YouTube. In fact, YouTube has a limit. If you are a verified member on a YouTube, then you can upload a video which is maximum 12 hours. You cannot go beyond that. Then how the heck did this dude manage to pull this trick? Now, in order to understand that, we need to understand the typical structure of a video file. So video file is actually comprised of a several section. It has an header and the metadata which contains important information about your video. Then you have a content, and then you have an end of a file indicator. The content is the actual content, the frames that you see in a video, and the header and the metadata is something that we are interested, because this section actually contains an information about which format where your video is, what is the creation time, what is the modified, what is the color encoding used in this video, and it also contains a duration of your video. That means somehow if you can tweak into this section and manipulate a certain values, you can actually fool your video player like YouTube's video player or the VLC video player. This is what happened in this case. So the header contains an information like a duration which can be in a seconds or the millisecond, where your video players reads that it actually needs to convert that into a minutes or the hours, which a human can read and understand better. And in this operation, if it encounters a really big arbitrary number like this, it actually does a math and ends up in a case where a result is absurdly big value, and it fails and show you a really big value which is not possible. So this means the actual video doesn't have to be such a long. It is a bug in the YouTube that shows a really big amount of duration, but in reality the video itself is not that long. In fact, in case of this guy, the video was 1 hour or something. It was not that big, and this channel was immediately banned because it actually violates YouTube's policy. You cannot make a misuse of the YouTube's glitch in order to gain the subscriber and the gain popularity, and that's why the channel was immediately banned. Now this got me thinking, what was an actual longest video ever uploaded on the YouTube? And curiosity drive me to a source that I can trust. On the IMDb page, there is the longest video on the YouTube recorded, which is actually 596.5 hours. This is historically a longest video that was ever uploaded on the YouTube. And this got me to navigate to a link, and apparently this video is no longer available on the YouTube. Like, it's there, but you cannot play this, and a message is clear: this video has been removed for violating YouTube's terms of services. So yeah, if you think you're smart, YouTube is one step ahead of you. Don't try to do this again.